One of the best things about winter, I think, is rhubarb. So we've come up with a very easy rhubarb tart. I'm just going to be trimming the ends and get rid of those leaves. And so we're going to be a bit technical here, and I'm going to cut the rhubarb into about 15 or 16 centimeter pieces of each stalk, and then you can use this as your guide. So once we've trimmed up all that rhubarb, just get it into a tray, ready to go. And we've just got some short crust pastry here. I've got a long sheet. If you don't have a long sheet and you get those 2 sheets you get at a supermarket, you can just stick them together. I'm just going to trim to about 40 centimeters, and we're just going to make a bit of a mixture underneath the rhubarb. So I've just got some flour, some almond meal, and some ginger, and then also some orange zest. Orange and rhubarb go so well together. And finally, just a bit of caster sugar as well. Stir that together. Just take that dry mixture, and we're just going to tumble it in. And the aim here is to leave about a 4.5 centimeter border around. And so just use your spoon and guide this mixture along. Now we're just going to take our lengths of rhubarb, and with the flat side down, I'm just going to start layering them lengthways here. So just take the sides of this pastry now, and we're going to just fold it over the edges. So if we do a mini fold in the beginning of about 1 centimeter, and that's just going to give a really nice strong border to the tart. And now with the remaining pastry on each long edge, we're going to fold it first. So if you just gently lift up the pastry and just pat it down gently as well, and then just pinch down those corners. Okay, so we're almost done. As a bit of a cheat, I'm using some strawberry jam, and that's just going to give us some really nice sweetness. And if you get some chunks in there, that's okay too. And just lastly, a bit of egg wash as well. So just a beaten egg, and that's going to give it a really nice golden color on the pastry sides. And into the oven, it's preset at 200 degrees. Make sure you bake this in the lower shelf, because that way the pastry at the bottom is going to cook, and it's going to go in for about 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, so the pastry is beautiful and golden. I'm just going to give it another brush with some of the jam as well, just to gloss it up. So I've got some pistachios. We're just going to chop them. Make sure they're not salted pistachios as well. Final step, just sprinkle a bit of those pistachios all over. Quick and easy, simple rhubarb tart. Take advantage of rhubarb while it's in season, and I think it'll be pretty popular if you whip this together.